This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the safe is unloaded and power is disconnected, so you eliminate electrical and ammunition risks. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection. Place a mat to catch small parts. Open the door slowly and identify the clip retainer assembly. This is typically near the floor or side wall. You'll then remove any trim panels covering the retainer using a Phillips or Torx driver, making sure to keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. You now support the clip assembly while backing out the fasteners so the springs don't launch parts into the safe. Carefully remove the 1 to 3 screws and lift any washers or spacers in the exact order you remove them. Photographing helps. Once fasteners are clear, pull the retainer straight out, keeping alignment to avoid bending feed lips or deforming the spring. If the clip feels bound, stop and check for hidden retaining pins or a secondary latch before forcing it. You finish by inspecting the removed clip, spring, and feed for wear. Replace any part with bends, cracks, or flattened coils because they cause failures. Reassemble in reverse order, making sure spacers and springs return to their original orientation. Torque screws snugly, not over-tightened, to preserve threads. Test the empty mechanism 3 times to confirm smooth action. If the clip sticks, troubleshooting tip: loosen fasteners slightly and reseat the spring. Binding usually means misalignment or a trapped washer, not a mechanical failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.